Alright guys, so now let's take a look at the best day trading platforms. And the very first platform I do want to talk about is TradingView. And here, it doesn't matter if you trade crypto, if you trade Forex, stocks, or whatever you are trading. In my personal opinion, TradingView is the best charting platform, or in other words, the best analysis platform, no matter what asset type you are trading. And during the rest of the course, I will be using TradingView to show indicators and other trading concepts as well. So if you want to be able to follow along during the rest of this course, I highly recommend that you at least sign up for TradingView. And to sign up for TradingView, I actually have a special link. The link can be found in the top of the description and in the pinned comment. And you can use this link to receive $15 and try TradingView Premium for 30 days for free. So yeah guys, make sure to sign up so you can follow along for the rest of this course and don't miss to claim your bonus. The next platform I want to talk about is Binance. And Binance is a crypto exchange. And to be more precise, if I'm not wrong, Binance is actually the biggest crypto exchange in the world. And there are tons of other good benefits about the platform. One thing is that Binance has hundreds of cryptocurrencies that you can choose between to trade. And another big bonus here is that Binance has low trading fees. And as a day trader, it's very important to have as low trading fees as possible because you take many trades. So if we have high fees, the fees will actually add up to a lot over time. So it is very important to have low trading fees. And another thing that's really nice about Binance is that I have managed to get a special link where you can get an additional 10% off on your Binance fees. You can find the link in the description of this video as well as the top comment. The next platform I want to mention here is Bybit. And Bybit is yet another crypto exchange. And one good thing about Bybit is that Bybit also have pretty low trading fees. So that's very nice. And when it comes to leverage here, we have up to 100x leverage on Bybit. So as I said earlier when I talked about leverage, using this high leverage is highly risky, but it can also lead to very high reward. But as a beginner, I would definitely not recommend to use 100x. You know, even 10x is actually pretty high. And I also forgot to mention this, but Binance also have up to very high leverage on futures. But as I said, you can use up to 100x for Bybit. But when it comes to Bybit, I have actually managed to get an insane bonus. To find the link, you want to head down to the description of this video and press on this link right here. And as you can see, by using this link, you can get up to $30,000 in welcome rewards. However, in order to get the $30,000, you will need to trade a lot. So most people will definitely not get $30,000. However, as you can see here, over 80% of users will actually get $100. So that's, you know, much better than nothing. So in order to claim the bonus here, what you want to do here is that you want to make sure to sign up. You also want to make sure that this code right here, 88512, is selected when you sign up. And you also need to deposit money into Bybit, and you also need to trade. You can click right here to check out the full rewards. So if you want to, you can pause the video right here and read about the how to get the rewards here. Alright, so the next trading platform I want to talk about is a platform called Interactive Brokers. And this platform is more focused on stocks. So as you can see, you can trade stocks, Forex, options, futures, and so on and so on. As you can see here, if we take a look at the leverage, you can see that it has much lower leverage compared to, for example, you know, Bybit, which has 100x, Binance, which has 125x. But that is actually pretty common for stock trading platforms. In general, stock trading platforms tend to have lower leverage here. And when it comes to fees, interactive brokers have low fees, so that's great. And it's also available in many countries. I think more than 200 countries. So if you are gonna focus on stocks, you can definitely consider interactive brokers. Last but not least, I also wanna mention Oanda here. This platform is more focused on Forex. So I would say Oanda you can use for Forex, interactive brokers for stocks. When it comes to leverage here on Oanda, we have up to 50x leverage. You can see 50 to 1 here is the same thing as 50x. It's just another way of typing it. It has some good fees here, and as you can see, it's a Forex focused broker. The downside with interactive brokers and Oanda is that I have not managed to get any special bonuses for these two platforms. But as I said, if you want to claim bonuses, you can look at Bybit. If you want to have very low fees, you can look at Binance. And no matter what other platform you're using, definitely guys. Alright, so this video was actually just a short clip from our full day trading course here on the channel. To watch the full course, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I will see you all over there very soon, but for now, take care. Ciao, ciao.